This dance called Spanish Airways. 32 counts for wall improver. No tack, no restart. The first section, raising the left stop with your right and walk, walk, cross samba, cross quarter back, step forward, half turn, forward, half turn. Next section, Dorothy, step, lock, step, step, lock, step, rock, recover together, back, back. Next section, back, touch besides, together, walk, walk, bump it forward, bump, recover. Last section, rock, recover, triple, three-quarter, back to 12 o'clock, and then cross, quarter back, side, forward. Now facing 3 o'clock, this is the new wall. The count at 6 o'clock, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No tap, no restart. Let's try.